G'day guys, Greg here. Well, I'm still on my search for the best fish and chips, and today it has brought me to the Spit right here on the Gold Coast. I tell you what, it's a bit of a hike getting out here, but it really is worth the drive. It's absolutely beautiful. You've got a nice long walkway you can walk out, and some of the views to Surfers Paradise are absolutely spectacular. There's a sand pumping jetty you can walk out on as well. Mate, it's a great place to come and visit if you're ever on the Goldie. Now, two of my biggest fans, Jim and Cheryl from North Carolina, which, by the way, I will be in July this year. I'm going to America and heading to North Carolina. Now, Jim and Cheryl wanted me to try something that I probably wouldn't normally try. So I'm going to go in and try an upper market sort of fish and chips and see what that's like. So how about we whip on into the Seaway kiosk and see what it's like. Let's do it. Alright, well it's got an outside area. I think I might sit here. Now I forgot to mention that the kiosk has a 3.7 Google star rating, and well, I'll see what I think it's worth. And well, it's actually a sit down area, and I've ordered and I've got my number. I can't wait for it to come out. Ooh, yeah. Alright, well my meal's arrived. Have a look at this. That looks absolutely amazing. And this fish and chips cost me $19. And the fish I got today was snapper. And check this out. She asked if I want chicken salt. They gave me a whole thing like this. So let me show you what chicken salt is, because there's a lot of people who don't know. That's what it is. It's a yellow salt like that. So you get to salt your own chips with chicken salt. You ripper. Alright, well these chips look pretty good. Might start with some of these. They're really nice. Super crunchy. Really nicely crisped and nice and soft in the middle. What more do you want? Let's take a look at this fish. So like I said, I got the snapper today. Something I'm pretty not sure if I've even had before. But like two nice pieces, and I got it battered of course. Look at this batter. Looks pretty good. Looks nice. What would it taste like though? People are dropping glasses in there. Oh wow, this batter tastes like KFC. Oh man, this is one of the best batters I've had, I think. Oh man, that's good. And let's take a look at this fish. Looks nice and fresh. Well, it doesn't seem to be flaking or anything like that. It feels really firm actually. Wow. This is nice. Well, it looks nice at least. The flesh looks good. It's a bit tough though. Oh. Well, it looks pretty good, doesn't it? Oh. Man, you know what? That almost tastes like chicken. It tastes so good. It didn't dissolve in my mouth, but it was still, I mean, this piece of fish, I don't know, maybe it's because it's fresh and, well, it tastes fresh, that's for sure, and it tastes really good. Wow. So how about we try it all together? Oh my God. Seriously, that. It tastes like KFC. The fish It's so dense and it's so nice. And it does taste almost, or sort of chickeny. And with this batter that tastes like KFC, mate. But it's not KFC, it's SKF, Seaway Kiosk Fish. Man, this is good. Oh, mate. Now it's got some tartare sauce here. Let's try some on a chip. Oh yeah, that's nice. Tastes really fresh and homemade. Oh, really good. Now it did come with some lemon, so how about we do the lemon test? I almost don't want to because I'm afraid it might ruin the fish because it tastes so good without it. But we'll do it anyway. All right. I'll only put it on a little bit because it tastes so good without the lemon that I'm afraid that the lemon might ruin it. Look how big and chunky that piece of fish is. No, it really doesn't need that lemon. It's just perfect on its own. And have a look, I got a friend that's just popped in. Oh, scrub turkey. What are you after, mate? You're after some chips, aren't you? Well, you're not getting any. They're all for me. And just take a look how thick that fish is there. I mean, it's really nice and big and thick and just delicious. It's dead set a fish steak. How about I try it? Some tartare. This fish needs nothing. It's just perfect on its own. It's absolutely delicious. So like I said, it's got a 3.7 star rating. What star rating would I give it? Well, I did go the expensive one this time, so it's probably not going to be a fair star rating because, you know, I went upmarket. But I got to tell you, this fish was absolutely delicious. The piece of fish is so big and so fresh, it tasted really nice. The batter on the top, wow, that seriously, like I said, I thought it was KFC. Tasted so good. These chips, beautifully cooked. I got my own chicken salt. The serving size was really big too. I mean, you could easily feed 2 people with that and have a decent sort of fish and chips. So for that reason, I'm giving this one 5 out of 5 stars. I mean, yeah, it costs $19, but man, it is worth it. You get to sit down in a nice restaurant. You get to look out the window with some nice views as well. And, well, it's just worth every cent. And, well, what's my recommendation? Mate, whip on down to the Seaway Kiosk on the Spit. I didn't even know this place existed. But here it is. It's a great little kiosk. It's got heaps of food. It's got all the burgers you want. It's got all the fish and chips you need. It's got everything here. I think it's a really great find. And I found it because somebody left it in the comments of one of my other videos. So thank you very much to that person for pointing this place out that I didn't even know existed. And well, it's a good half day out, I reckon. Once you get here, you can go for a walk right out there, watch the waves rolling in, check out Surfers Paradise. There's also some bushland here, some natural bushland of how it would have been 10,000 years ago. That's still there, so you can walk through there and suss it all out. What a great spot. What a great fish and chips. Wow, what a great day. Great stuff. Did I find the best fish and chips today? Well, I tell you what, it's in my top 3, that's for sure. This is a great feed. Anyway, I'm going to sit here and finish this off before it gets too cold. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time for my next fish and chip review. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are finger